Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to change your billing address on Xbox in 2025. Whether you're relocating, updating your info for online purchases, or just fixing a mistake, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. It's super important to keep your details current, especially with Xbox's evolving features in 2025, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Xbox console with the account you want to update. Power on your Xbox, and from the home screen, navigate to the Settings icon. It's usually in the top right or bottom left, depending on your dashboard layout. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and select Account. Then choose Personal Info, or Profile. This might vary slightly based on the 2025 update, but it's generally straightforward. Next, look for the Payment and Billing option under your account settings. This is where Xbox stores all your financial details for things like Xbox Live Gold or game purchases. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of your current billing information. Now, find and select the Edit Billing Address button. It could be labeled as Update Address, or something similar in the 2025 interface. Enter your new billing address carefully. Double-check the street, city, state, zip code, and country to avoid any verification errors. Xbox might ask you to confirm with a code sent to your email or phone, so keep an eye on that. Once everything looks good, hit Save or Confirm. Your changes should take effect immediately, but if you're making a purchase, it might require a quick verification. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an error message, ensure your account is in good standing and that you have a stable internet connection. Xbox's 2025 updates have made this process smoother, but always restart your console if things glitch out. And there you have it. That's how you change your billing address on Xbox in 2025. It only takes a couple of minutes and keeps your account secure and up to date. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.